Welcome to the Mirador National Geographic. This view was voted one of the 10 best in the world. Granada Houses Estate Agency is in Montefrio, a town in Andalusia. This town is approximately 50 minutes from Granada City and about an hour and 20 minutes to Malaga Airport. As you can see, it has beautiful views. All amenities are found within the town. And there's some wonderful architecture here too. Welcome to this Granada Houses property. We're here about 10 minutes outside of the town of Montefrio to show you this slightly unusual semi-detached house. This is an Andalusian farmhouse, but it is, as I said, semi-detached with a few quirky things. This particular building, just this section, including the top floor, are included within the sale, but they're not on the paperwork, but they are part of the property. So as you can see, this was an old kitchen, and then upstairs via a staircase that's on the outside of the property, it leads to a kind of summer room, which needs a little work. But if you did something to here, you would have these wonderful views. Now also with this property, this piece on the end, which you would enter via this red door, this does not belong to the property, it belongs to the neighbour. This is the entrance to the house as it currently stands. So let's go and take a look. We have a very small entranceway that leads to a spacious living room with wood beamed ceilings. So some really nice features in this house. And off here is a family bathroom and kitchen. There's a lot of possibilities here. This is a strangely big house. It's much bigger than it seems from the outside. It doesn't have land, so the external spaces, this belongs to the house, this really pretty patio, but only as far as the concrete balustrade. The field beyond does not belong to the house, but obviously the views belong to everybody. There's a second outside space which is upstairs. So there's another roof terrace, another space where you can enjoy the views. Now let's go back through the kitchen, through the sitting room, dining room area. As you can see, there's a staircase that goes up. There's a few steps that lead to these two rooms, one of which is directly off the other room. And of course, these can be used in any way you choose. This room does have a door to the outside. And then we go upstairs and there's lots of space on this floor. The stairs open up to this sitting room and there's a chimney in this room. And to the right, there's a few more steps that lead up to two more rooms, one off the other. As you can see, this also has a beamed ceiling and unfinished roof in terms of maybe plastering in between the beams. And directly off here is a smaller room, also with beamed ceilings. This would make a perfect ensuite and have this as a decent sized bedroom. Lovely original floors. If you were to just clean those up and oil them, that would come up beautifully. And a really nice original wood door. And again, you could strip the paint off and renovate it so that you could see the original wood underneath. And then we go through to another bedroom, and this one has its own terrace, and this is the terrace that you saw from below. This house has mains electricity and mains water. There's a little bit of work to do just to kind of freshen it up. It might be nice to put a new bathroom in, new kitchen in, maybe an ensuite, but it's an excellent price. And look at that view. And we're really close to Montefrio, Granada City, Malaga Airport's not too far, at about an hour 25 or so. Anyway, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video, and hit the notification bell to be informed of all of our upcoming videos. Leave comments and questions in the section below, and if you'd like to arrange a viewing of this house, please request that too in the section below. Thank you for watching.